Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the Xiaomi X20 Plus versus the Dreame L10s Ultra. So which vacuum robot is better? So we're going to do a spec comparison here. So here on the left we have our Dreame L10 Ultra versus our Xiaomi robot X20. So we're just going to go with L10 and X20 for shortcuts. So they both have a point value of 88 right here and the $650 for the L10 and $280 for the X20. So when we do a quick comparison on both right here on the general info, features, power, cleaning power, and design, let's go with the X20 first. So the X20, or I mean the L10, so the L10 right here has included washable filters, 6 decibels quieter, and supports virtual barriers. So you can set virtual barriers on this one. So it's also 60.5 millimeters shorter compared to your X20. It's also bagless, as you can see right here, has voice prompts, and 5 watts lower power consumption. So this is more power efficient. It has an auto off feature also. So when it comes to the X20 right here, it has twin side brushes, unlike the L10, has 0.15 bigger dustbin, that's in liters. So you also have 1 year more under your manufacturer warranty. Has a remote control, 30 minutes longer runtime, so it's 180 minutes versus 150, and it indicates when it's full. It also uses bags, and it has an 11.54% smaller docking station. That's just a significant amount, but not that much. So right here, when we go to general info that I mentioned a while ago, the audible noise, it's kind of lower for your L10. So they both have allergen filters, they both compatible with Google Assistant, and both work with Alexa. So here, when it comes to weight, it's just around 100 grams lighter for your own L10 Ultra. So the height is just around 6 millimeters taller for your X20. When it comes to your volume, just not a different significant size right here. And the warranty period, your Xiaomi has a 2-year warranty period, unlike your L10. So when it comes to docking station, just a little bit too. So when here in the features, let's just go down. So we already mentioned this. It has everything that it needs basically, except for your X20. Does it have virtual barriers? It doesn't have your voice prompts. And here in your L10, it doesn't have a remote control because it uses its voice prompts. So it would be rendered useless if it had a remote control, but it depends on you. So here, the dustbin capacity, it's larger by 0.15 liters. When it comes to your X20, they don't have displays. So the bagless one is the L10 and the bags is the X20. So it indicates when it's full for the X20 while the L10 doesn't because it's automatic. So here, when it comes to cleaning speed, it's unknown, but suction power is pretty decent. That's 5300 PA, so that's Pascal. So right here, cleaning modes, it has 4. They both don't have dirt sensors and they don't have UV light. So it has an electrostatic filtration system when it comes to the L10, which makes it a little bit tad more expensive. So then when it comes to runtime, you also have 30 minutes longer runtime when it comes to X20, but both of them have docking stations, which is pretty good, so that they will be able to charge. So here it has an auto off feature too when it comes to the L10, unlike your X20. So there you go guys, when it comes to the price comparison, like I have mentioned a while ago, as you can see, $650 for the L10 and X20 for your Xiaomi. So I would go with the Xiaomi robot if you're looking for a budget vacuum robot, but if you don't really mind and you want a little bit tad more features and voice controls, you would go with the L10 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is the comparison. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.